Okay, everyone, I'm sorry about that. I just got a better connection, and I do my best to keep as many VPN connections as I can. So I found a solution. The stream should be much better now. I've got a much better upload speed. So let's get to it. Okay, let's get to it. All right, let's get to it now. Do we have anyone here? No one is here. Everybody abandoned me. Okay. Everybody abandoned me. Okay. Alright, clear connection. Yeah. Okay, so you guys are back here. I'm very sorry about that. I've got a much better connection now, and as I said, I do my best to keep as many VPN subscriptions active, and usually my YouTube streaming goes absolutely no problem. So I've got a really good upload speed right now. It's like almost 4,000 kilobits per second, so we should be fine. Now, today, as I was saying, what the hell? I caught this long today. I was looking forward to the long. Where's my chart? Right here. Bang, motherfucker. Shit, eh? Okay. I caught this long today at 82.08 around here. And what happened? It got rejected up here, and I was going over this all live in the psychiatric chat. Okay, I was going over it live, and the problem here, my friends, is that if you notice the 800 EMA, it did not rise with the Williams line, and instead it started to curve. It yanked it down. Okay, and what I was expecting was 81.38. Where's 82.38? Where's 82.38? Yikes. Right around here. I was expecting 82.38 to hold, okay? But it did not, and it dumped from there, okay? And you know what? Right now, where is this headed? I actually my stream was lagging, but I had an 81.54 support here that was broken, okay? 81.54 support. It was where was it? Yeah, no, there you go. It's on my 4-hour chart. Okay. Here you go. On this chart, I had an 81.54 support. It was broken. Now, where this is headed right now, this is not an area you would want to short. Okay. The reason why is you have this support resistance line, this GANFAN support resistance line that I circled in the green. And what the price likes to do, it likes to wick down, bounce, wick down, bounce, come down here. It spent a little bit of time here, and it bounced up. Okay. And then what's happened since? It spent some time down here, and then it bounced up, okay? Now, if you notice, this is the pivot high, and it's been going towards the right, okay? It's been going towards the right. What does that mean if it's going towards the right? It's becoming more bullish. Yes, it did get rejected here. Now, the issue here, although I was long, I had anticipated... Well, the reason I was long was I had anticipated that the price would break above past this resistance, okay? And that would have hit my target of 83.80. Had it done that, I was anticipating it to hit up close to here. So I was going to close at 83.80, okay? Before that, the whole purpose of my long was to get past this. However, it got rejected at this. I would call this soft resistance. This is hard resistance up here. And as soon as I had doubt that the trade was not going my way, as soon as I had confirmation and I was sure, I exited my long trade. I think I got out at 82.18, and that was a limit order as well. And my entry, I think, was 82.08. So although I didn't make any money, I did not lose my money on it, okay? But had this trade gone my way, I would have made a good amount. That would have been good for a day's work. But it did not go my way, but that's okay. The market will not always do what I want it to do. And right now, here's the story. This is what's going to happen. I doubt that this support here is going to hold. I have doubts about that. It might chop around here. Yeah, it might do that. But I believe it's headed right down here to 80.41, this line here. And that's what it is. So I believe that if this... And also, you know what's interesting? It's that it's going to come back here, retest this, and reject further down, okay? And what's interesting here is when, where's 82.38? Right here, 82.38, okay? Now, what's interesting is I said I'm testing something new, guys. I've got something really amazing, and it's mind-blowing. And that's what told me that in order for the bullishness to continue, actually not just continue, you see here, higher, and then my next number was that 82.38 would have to hold, and 82.38 would provide the bounce out of this. Do you see that? Had it bounced at 82.38, it would have gone above this. Now, not many people can say that. I can say that. And I will be able to back that up in the future when I make the information public. However, what happened was that at 80, as soon as 82, you guys can go back and check the chat history. As soon as 82.38 rejected, it dumped. And I did advise you guys that if you wanted, you could take a short there. And I think at the time the price was 82.28, and it said your stop would have to be above 82.38. And Tony Stark, shout out Tony Stark, but he said that that's too tight of a stop above 82.38. But then again, if the idea that I'm testing is true, then that tells me that this is going to go dump before it comes back up to 82.38. And I no longer believe that this 81.50 to 81.80 support is going to hold. I think it's done. My opinion, okay? I'm not writing this short. I'm not with it. Okay, I'm not with it. There's going to be nasty, choppy waters, okay? Nasty, choppy waters. Now, this is going to give a long call soon. No, it is not. Do you know why this is not going to give a long call? Look at this. Look at this weakness, okay? Look at this weakness here. The EMA is curving down, okay? What does that tell me? This is all going to be choppy, choppy waters soon, okay? Now, let me see the 6 minute. I haven't looked at the 6 minute. Okay, this is the 11:11. Okay, this is the 11:11. And that's where the 6 minute is. Interesting. Now, the 6 minute 11:11 is still consolidating up there. Okay, we're going to see what happens with that. I think in momentarily it will be coming down. That's my opinion. Okay, it will be coming down. Now let me come back over to my chart here, the 578 high. Okay, now look at this, guys. The 578 high, look at this. The EMA is coming down, but the 578 high looks like it wants to put in some kind of a bounce. Okay, so right now it's chop season. It's chop. Okay, it's a chop. And do I see a long? That's a 578 high. Let's go to, since we're looking for the bottom, let's go over to the 827 low. Now the 827 low, what is that telling us? Load. The 827 low is telling me that there's a bottom that's in. Okay? It's telling me that there's a bottom that's in. But I do not want to play this. Okay, I do not want to play this. After this failed move here, what's going to happen now is this 800 EMA needs to come down. So whatever the hell this shit is, I believe it's just going to chop. It's going to chop so hard. That's my opinion. Okay, it could move up, but it would take some time. So right now, I don't see a trade here. Unless you want to short it. And if you want to short it, your stop would have to be above 82.38. And in that instance, it would have to be way above here, okay? Way above that resistance here, your stop. If you wanted a safe stop, above 82.80. Fucking shit, you know what? I mentioned it. I mentioned this zone, this resistance zone. Okay, I mentioned it, and that it was in my BTC Scalps page. It was there. Okay, I had posted this chart, and I also, yeah. So, you know what? So here's the thing, folks. Here's the thing. It's going to dump from here, 100%. And I'm just not in the mood. You know, I've had a very profitable few days. So I'm not in the mood to take a short. I don't want to sweat on a short. Okay. That covers it. Let me see if anybody's actually tuning in to me. Oh, yeah, we got watchers. All right. Hey, guys. Thanks for watching. Sometimes I think I'm talking to myself. But, okay. That's going to be it. Here's the thing. If y'all want to take a short, your stop must be above here, above 85.78. And then the more time that passes to the right, the higher to the right your stop is going to go. Okay. Best time to short would be when the 6 minute gives the go ahead. Okay. When the 6 minute here, 6 minute close gives a short signal, that would be the best time to short. Right now, a short stop would have to be above here. Above this pivot, which is very high. Short stop would have to be above 83.18. I don't know if that's worth the risk for you guys just for this move. Okay, and you got support down here at 8100 on the 6 minute. So in my opinion, I think it's going to be a fast move down. And then, let's see. Okay, let's see. And guys, here's the thing. I've come across some information, and I'm going to be testing it in the next little bit. And if this information does continue to prove true, then it could be extremely game-changing for us. So right now we've got a it's an excellent system at play, definitely. But what I've got here is it's going to redefine everything. It's going to redefine everything we do as a group and as traders. And there will be a lot of profit. Okay? Now, let me be honest with you. This here, the reason why I was long and expecting a bounce at 82.38 is because this region is not a region that you want to short in. Absolutely not. Okay? So here's the thing. Coming up, I'm going to be thinking about how to make the information that I have available to you guys and share with the rest of the group. But if I do make this information public, I will definitely need to, it's just a weekend. I think it's too early to speak about this. It's just a weekend. But if I do continue in the second month, I will be making this information available to the group. And if I'm making this information available it's going to make everybody a lot of money, a lot more money, and many more successful trades. The information that I have is going to bring your hit rate through the roof. Okay, it's going to bring your hit rate through the roof. All right. So, do you guys got any questions? So honestly, what do I see here? I see this is dipping down to 81.30 and 81.30 to 80.55. Okay, and where's it really going after that? Yeah, it can chop all the way down to 78.34. Okay, so if this gets close to 80.38 again, you might want. This is so heavy. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. You could short this right now with a stop above 80.40 if you want to play. If you want to take a risky short, you could short this right now with a stop at 82.38. A stop just above 82.38. Okay, your stop, to be honest, at above 82.42 would be your stop if you want to take this short. Maybe I'll take it. Oh fuck, I should not take this short. Should I? I'm gonna take this short. I'm gonna take a low leverage short here. No, I'm not. Fuck that. I'm not taking a short. Why? I know this is not the region to short in, and I do not want to sweat. Okay? There's going to be many beautiful plays coming. Okay? There's going to be many beautiful plays coming. I'm not shorting it. Okay? I'm not shorting it. I refuse to short it. Okay? I know exactly. Guys, I know exactly where to short. Okay? This is not where to short. I'm going to know exactly where to short, and I'm going to know exactly where to long. So stay tuned in the next little bit, okay? I'm going to fucking kill it. We are going to kill it. So that's what I got for you. I'm going to keep this short and simple, but that's what's happening with the price. If you want to take a risky short, take a risky short with a stop above 82.42, okay? There you go. Yeah, Keeks. Oh my God, Keeks, if I give you what I got, man, you have no idea. It's just going to change everything, buddy. It's going to change everything. There's going to be, guaranteed, you guys are going to become millionaires. Okay? Guaranteed. Like, fucking guarantee it. Okay? I guarantee it. But if I'm going to make this new information public, like I'm being straight up with you guys. It's not even 1 week yet, but if the group continues to be successful, that's the only. I think for the new information to be made public, number one, I think the group needs to be successful for the first month. It's too early to speak right now because it hasn't even been a week. On Thursday, it'll be a week. I'm here in China, so yep, and Thursday it'll be a week. And so number one, the group needs to be successful. Two, for number one, again, the group needs to be successful, and in order for it to be successful, I do not want to see people getting wrecked. And so far as my knowledge goes, I do not know of anyone getting wrecked, but I do know of people getting stopped out. Okay, I do know of that. So I really don't want to see people losing money, and I also don't want to lose money. So I'm really walking on a tightrope, and I'm growing into these shoes. You know, I'm growing into my responsibility. Last week I was a little bit nervous, and I mean it's been a couple days. It hasn't been a week, but I'm settling in pretty well. And number one, the group needs to be successful, and number two, if I'm making the information public, this new information is absolutely game changing, and I'm not making it up. It's not something like Ehlers or the 49 strategy or something. No, this kind of thing, what I got right now is you can pretty much know exactly when a top is being made. You'll know exactly when a short, when a bottom is information. You'll know exactly where to put your shorts and where to put your longs. You'll know exactly where not to short. It is just absolutely game changing. And if you back test it, dollar bills, yeah, it's dollar bills. And honestly, I'm back testing it and it's blowing my mind. And if you guys noticed me today in chat, you could have in the psychiatric center chat, you could have followed me, and it went all the way down to that 8238, and that 8238 was a breaking point. So if you guys think I'm just talking shit, no way, I'm not talking shit. Every time I talk some shit, I back it up. But yeah, that's what's happening. So look forward to it. And so number one, I said the group needs to be successful, and number two, if I'm going to be making this information public, the group membership fee will be going up 100%. Okay, or I just might not make it public. But everybody that's already joined in this first month beta test or trial is not going to have to pay a higher fee. Just note that the reason why I would increase the fee for new members is because this new information, well, this new it's a fucking secret. All right, and there's no way in the world that there's other people who don't know about it, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm the only one who knows about it, I don't know, but a lot of shit makes sense to me. Okay, a lot of shit makes sense to me. So when people are calling right now, fucking 7800 and shit, I know exactly why, and they're not sharing their real shit. Instead, what happens is what I believe to be the case is that group leaders find other group leaders have their own secret shit, and then they find other indicators and other shit on the chart to justify what they see in the secret shit. You get what I'm saying, right? So yeah, I don't want to be one of those people, and I'm definitely going to make the information public, and it's definitely going to make everybody money. But yeah, I'm going to be raising the group fee, and it's something I got to talk to tech about. And yeah, definitely. And number three, if we're going to continue for a second month and forward, I will be limiting the membership in the group, because I don't want this turn into some like some fucking dumb shit group. I think that our group is serving a good purpose, and we've got a nice set of people in here, so I hope to continue that. But I promise you, this new shit's going to be mind blowing. So let's look forward to the future. Right now, honestly, if you're trying to short this, good luck to you. It's going to be a fun ride, a choppy ride for you. But yeah, I'm not going to short it. To take a moment to breathe, and I just know that there's a really juicy long coming up soon. Right, soon, absolutely. So as I said, if you're looking at the 1 minute, I don't see a trade right now. I don't see a long trade. Okay, I don't see a long trade. No, I don't see a long trade. Why? Because that EMA is curving down. Okay. Do you guys got any questions? If there aren't any questions, I'm going to end this. Potential target for short. To be honest, right now, if you're short, your stop would, like a safe stop would have to be above here, 83.22. To be honest with you, that would be a safe stop. Now, where are the shorts headed? I mean, if it's going down right now, first up, your first resistance right here is I had it before. Right now, your next resistance is 81.80. Okay, let's put that there. We'll call that 81.80, and then you've got 80.40. All right, and below 80.40, 78.34. Okay, so where do I think it's going? I think eventually I think eventually, yeah, it's going to, if 8180 support doesn't hold, which I don't think it will, because it's already wicked down here, it's coming down to 8041. Okay? It's coming down to 8041. So if you want to play the 4 hour, you could play this 4 hour candle with a stop above here, with a stop above 8320. Okay? That would be your stop if you want to take the short based on the 4 hour, with a stop at 8320, and it could become a very juicy short. Okay? It could become a very juicy short. And from what I believe, it will definitely be, it's hard to say. I can't say definites. This is not an area to short in. Okay, it's not the area to short in. A short on the 4 hour right here? No. The short was up here, my friends. Do you see that? And next time, I know exactly when this is. Okay? I know exactly when this is. Okay? When was this? That was way before. I know exactly when that is. And you see this right here? This up here? I know exactly when that is. It's interesting. I got some research to do. So I wouldn't be shorting right now. But if you're trying to short, yeah, good luck to you. Tight stop would be above. Like I said, if you're trying to short, a tight stop would have to be right above here. Above a tight stop would be above 8040. Okay, and I think you'll be fine if your tight stop is above 8040, and you could look forward to 8130 from there. Okay, that's it. So if you're gonna play the 6 minute, on the 6 minute, yeah, it's gonna get choppy. Okay, so you could ride it. It's gonna get choppy. I wouldn't even want to short this. I'm sorry. I don't suggest it to anybody. If you're gonna short it, you're gonna play the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour with a stop above 8320, and you could ride it out. Okay, that's it. Personally, I don't think it hits above 8240 again. If my theory is correct. All right, if my theory is correct, I've found a hole in the matrix. Okay, that's what's up. Okay, I hope that answers your question. Wonderful. I'm pretty sure, guys, if this does not go above 8240, oh, we are gonna make some money. Okay, not on this trade, but in the coming, in the next big move up, I'm gonna let you know exactly where about the bottom is. Crazy, right? Crazy. It's such a small window. Such a small window. Okay. So that's what I got for you. Are there any more questions? Yes or no? Guys, I'm very sorry about the long today. I thought it would have worked out, but it didn't because of the reasons I just explained to you. And I did my best to warn everybody in the chat, and I got out myself. I got out. I mean, without losing money, and I hope everybody else got out too. I had warned everybody. So, are there any more questions? No questions. All right. In that case, I'm going to say good night, or have a wonderful day to you guys wherever you are. Wait, people are typing. Let me see what's up. Guys, the first week isn't over. The first week will be over on Thursday. All right. All right. Cheers. I guess we're done. All right. Thank you, Mr. Slim Pickens. All right. Yeah, it would have been nice if it worked out. But the point is, hey, as long as we are making 3 times more money on our winning trades than we are on our losing trades, we're on a roll. So, yeah, let's try not to lose. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day, and be safe. Tony Stark is short from 82.30. Dude, man, I fucking told you. It's not going back to 82.40. Let's see. All right, guys, peace out. Have a good time. All right, again, I'm not taking a short trade. I'm waiting for the next long entry. It might take some time, but it'll be worth it. All right, peace out. I'm cutting this out now.